I always say I spend a whole lot of my day dealing with building context and managing expectations.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that that's one way that you build trust, right? And I think it's one way that you also help people feel empathy for the other stakeholders at the table, right? Is explaining, why we need to work within these constraints, why we need to, prioritize a certain amount of tech debt or tech investment, right? And helping everybody understand that. I think the other thing too is where I've challenged teams is to try and optimize, right? So instead of it being like, I come to the table with my list of priorities and I'm trying to get all of them in the order of my priorities on there. I think it's find out where you're doing it, because we're working on this feature or enhancement, right? There happens to be some fragile code there that everyone's afraid to touch. We may not have the test cases we want on it. The automation may not be where we want to. So finding ways, challenging them to find ways to be as efficient and find opportunistic areas where, because we work on a one area, we actually can take something that would have been 8 weeks worth of work done independently and turn it into 4 or 5 weeks. And I feel like giving them that challenge as a group has really helped them find ways to optimize how much impact across the board they can deliver.